Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnock Reviews. Today we're checking something that looks straight out of a James Bond movie. This time we're looking at the Mystic C4000. This high performance power cat was turning heads at the St. Petersburg Power Sailboat Show earlier this year. Absolutely love the design and build quality that's on this one. It's like the equivalent of checking out a floating Ferrari. Length overall you're looking at 43 feet 10 inches. She's got a maximum beam of 10 foot 11 inches. She's got 200 gallons of fuel on board, and she's got a dry weight of 6,800 pounds. There's a lot of variations you can do to the spec on this one that will impact the price, but as a ballpark, you're looking at a price somewhere in the region of $650,000. Mystic are designed and built just outside Orlando, Florida, and this one gets tested in the Atlantic Ocean, normally somewhere in the region of Daytona or Port Orange area. But in the right conditions, this one can actually top out over 100 miles per hour while with two outboards. That's thanks to the performance, the power and the relationship that they have struck up with Mercury, with the 450R racing engines. As much as this is a very high-end, high-performance boat, I liked all the creature comforts that was on board. Despite hitting those sort of speed, you can see that you've got a lot of comfort and luxury, which I wasn't expecting. I'd be willing to bet very few boat manufacturers can offer the same power, performance and comfort as this one does. There's storage compartments throughout both sides of the hull. Those are ideal for your ropes and fenders. I also like the way that they've got dedicated areas for stepping on board. With soft matting that also doesn't have to worry about the heat, and also it's got a non-slip effect to it as well. I was impressed when I stepped on this one at how little the boat actually moved. You can actually equip this with a Seakeeper as well for additional stability and comfort. You see here it takes full advantage of the wide beam. You got 6 forward facing seats, and then you got 2 rear facing seats on this sun lounger. You'll notice these seats do come with handles for you to hold on to, especially when you are going at a high rate of speed. I like the fact that you sit as low on this one. You can imagine the wind pretty much goes over your head, and that way you don't have the full effect from it. And at the helm's on the port side, and in the centre we've got this very large multifunction display. You can hook this up with navigation, with engine instrumentation, the all important speed, and you can have a combination of all three. I'll include links in the description to Mystic Powerboats website itself, that way you can check out all the details as well as the photographs on offer. And I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments on this one. If you can leave a comment down below. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It really does make a difference. I'd like to thank Mystic Powerboats for this opportunity to come on board, take a look at it and share the video with you. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks everyone.